Makes a pretty thick layer of foam. I'd say pretty happy with that stuff, not gonna lie. And yeah, I don't know. It's like, you could obviously get other stuff for cheaper and stuff, like probably griots or whatever, but it's just what I found at the time, so decided why not give it a try. Definitely happy with this process. Yeah. Oh, also, a little update. Now you can see, there's the hole I drilled. I originally drilled one down there. I don't know why. That was kind of dumb, but now we got one up here. I did scratch some of the paint. We'll have to do a little paint touch-up there. We'll have to do paint touch-ups a couple spots though anyways, because this already had previous damages in certain little spots. But yeah, we gotta drill another hole over there so we can get that bumper over there to fit. But yeah, this is basically how the FC's coming along right now. And we're still, for those of you who are wondering, we're still waiting on the motor, by the way. It's currently at the shop in Windsor, so we're just waiting for it to get machined and go from there. That stuff's coming off nice and easy. That's actually very satisfying. That is a lot better. There we go. Come on. Come on. Jesus. When you clean this thing, look at them frame rails. It looks brand new. My God. Oh, minus a little bit there. Surface rust. No biggie though. Yeah, this thing look brand new. For 1987, that's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. As you guys know, phone, yep. So camera's dead, but here's a 30 FPS cinematic of how clean it is now. I guess I'll just talk through it instead of cinematicing, but this was basically just on my hand, as you've seen. You remember how dirty that was? I'd say that came out. Let me zoom in a bit more just because this camera's crappy. I'd say it's a way better looking than it was before. We cleaned up a little bit in there, but honestly we did the best we could considering that I still kept all the harnessing and shit. Probably shouldn't have done that, but it's alright. But look at this side, my goodness. Like it's not immaculate, but it's immaculate compared to how it was before. Like, this frame rail, it's insane how clean that is. I don't know, in my opinion, that's insane. That frame rail was dirty looking. And like, look at this side. Sorry for the shakiness, my God. Go ahead. Like, she's coming along pretty clean. I mean, that actually needs, there's a cloth. That actually needs, right here, you can see that needs just a nice good, like, look at that. That was with a dirty cloth. Like, it looks pretty damn good, I'd say. And this is all done with just like a sprayed Dawn soap, right? Also, I'm realizing as I keep leaning on the engine bay that I keep moving the collar. And I don't want to do that, so let's push that a little bit forward. Crank that e-brake up. Yeah, she ain't going nowhere. But yeah, basically just a little update on the engine bay. Just wanted to show you guys me cleaning it. I personally just did not like the way this corner was looking. And I'm still, yeah, I don't like the way that looks either, but we'll see where we go with that. Because, you know, there's still quite a bit more when it comes to cleaning this car right now. And realistically, I just want a power washer so I can just you know, boom, done. We got no water source in here, so we do what we can. But either way, I'm happy with the way this came out, definitely for sure. I don't know if this video will continue after this, but I just want to let you guys know where we're at with it. Catch you soon. Ooh. Side note. I actually just remember what I was gonna say actually, because I kind of lost what I was talking about there. But yeah, now we're working on this, right? So that side we got that bolt in, which is nice. We're gonna try and bolt in the same side over here. Get run off the jack of the car, take the wheel off, and then bolt a hole basically like this, just on the other side, and hopefully get this bad boy slapped on. Because yeah, the KDM's expensive, man. You know, so right now I'm just thinking rock this for now, and then obviously get the side skirts and front bumper too, but rock it for now, fiberglass, and then maybe work our way up to Duraflex, if not polyurethane. So yeah, that's basically where we're at with the bumper. So we're gonna work on the bumper next. Oh, we're gonna work on finishing the bumper next, and then and after we're done working on the bumper, we're gonna also start working on this as well. I just want to clean this up a bit, especially if I am gonna still use a stock harness. So I just want to clean this up a bit because I don't like the way it's looking. I don't know much about harnesses, I'll admit. So if I do anything wrong, please let me know in the comment section down below so I don't look like an idiot. But yeah, that's basically it, and that's where we're at right now. And oh, just letting you guys know, if you guys don't know how to clean like an RX-7 motor, or the rotors, housings, irons, etc., I'm gonna be posting a video of that soon, so stay tuned for that. I personally myself know a bit, but I don't know all of how to clean it, so I'm gonna be doing the research first before I do it. So I'm just letting you guys know that it's not gonna be one of those videos where I have no idea what I'm doing when I'm cleaning it, and then you guys go and do it, and then your motor's all fucked up, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'll make sure I do the research, and then I'll post the video showing you guys how to do that, because I don't really see a lot of videos on people doing it. But then again, that's probably just because it's common knowledge for most Rotary guys, but it's not for me, so I just want to make sure other people know as well. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I am going to end it here. Took us about, I want to say 2 days, 3 days. Ooh, God, I just realized, oh, that's disgusting. I hope you guys are excited as much as I am, because, well, we all know what's going down this year. FC's coming out, or FC's going in, most likely 6-port turbo. Obviously exterior things gonna be done, interior things gonna be done to get it prepped for drift jam and stuff like that for when I do go. My first year coming in of drift jam, I know we're not gonna be participating the first time, but we are gonna be participating like the second event. I want to just show up with the FC and just kind of feel the vibes out and then go from there. So yeah, but anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry if it was a little bit boring at the end, but anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this, and yeah, enjoy your day. Peace.